actually started investing at the age of about 7 years old. My dad also was a very passionate investor, and he allowed me to pick one stock per month, and he would buy me a share of any company I wanted. And at the time, they would mail you stock certificates, and he hung it on the wall of my room. So when I grew up, my room was literally wallpapered in stock certificates. And it was a great way to learn about investing because I really felt the power of my ownership. I had a stock certificate on the wall of my room, and I felt like an owner of a company, not somebody that was gambling in the stock market. But, I felt like I actually owned these businesses. So as a young child, I can remember going to the local Walmart with my father, and I had to go to the restroom. And I came out, and I told my father that the restroom was very dirty. And he said to me, "Well, you're an owner. What are you going to do about it?" And so I wrote to Sam Walton, who was the CEO of Walmart at the time, and told him that I was very disappointed with the experience and that he should have somebody clean the restrooms. And Sam Walton wrote me back, and he thanked me for my letter and assured me that he would take care of the problem. I'm giving you this story to illustrate that that is the lens that I view the investing world through. I don't view the stock market as a casino or a place to gamble with money. I look at it as a market and a place where I can buy small portions of businesses. So I've spent my life learning how to value businesses and how to pick profitable businesses.